Karibu sana to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Jabin Joroge. Welcome to my little space. So today we're doing something different. I don't know if you can tell that I'm standing up, and I typically don't stand up. But yeah, today we are doing this cute simple glam that is the Mary Phillips technique. If you don't know who Mary Phillips is, she is a celebrity makeup artist, and she's known for this kind of like soft glam look that really is rather quite simple and flawless and just kind of looks like your skin, and I'm just so obsessed with it, so I definitely had to try it. So yeah, before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up.
Real hot girl shit. Real hot girl shit.
Hey everyone, I'm Mary Phillips. I am loving everyone's videos recreating my technique. I thought, why not join TikTok and make my own? So a little behind this technique, to me it makes more sense. It's like laying down the bones under the skin. So the contour and the highlight being the bones and the skin being the foundation. Here we go.
So she starts with her contour. This one is mine. This is my Illegal Pro Concealer, and it is in the shade Expresso. So the reason she starts with the contour, she says it's like laying down your bones. So she also does this one, which I love. Even if she didn't do this one, I'd do it. So up next is concealer. I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me. I'm just going to be doing like my normal contouring technique, highlighting technique. So looking a bit rough, but it's fine. So the next step is blush. I find this to be so weird. Like, why is blush going before foundation? But trust the process, trust the process. Also, I would low-key love to see her do this look on like dark skin, or rather just anyone who isn't necessarily white, because I don't know, I haven't seen her do this look on like a darker person, but it's fine. So she didn't do bronze. I'm going to do my bronze because I like bronze. So okay, so we are done. So we are going to do our foundation. I have my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 366, and she says to use, or rather she's using a powder brush. She doesn't say that, but she's using a powder brush. So I have my I'm scared. You know what? That's not bad. She's cute. I was not trusting the process, but yeah, she's onto something. Yep, that looks so cute. Like this kind of like flawless, like I'm not wearing makeup, but I am wearing makeup, so I do like it. She's done something like this with her blush. I don't know if that's a blush. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face, and then I'll be back. We've come to the end of this video. I was a bit skeptical at first about it. I was like, I don't know how I feel about it, but I'm so obsessed. This is the best kind of soft glam look I have ever done, and I just, yeah, this is now my technique. I'm going to be using it over and over again. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Ile movie ya Chris Samson. Maji nimejua tu na rangi.
Si ndio? Hata mimi nimeiona hizo ma Indian cocktails ndio hiyo. Ni twanga extraction. Watu wamesema sijui inatoka mingi. Kisha tumaliza.